You hear close gathering.
There's a sound of an abundance of rain
in our annual Supernatural Convention, OMNI 2025, Thursday, August 21st to Sunday, August 24th, hosted by Deliverance Temple International, where our presiding bishop is Dr. Michael Lewis. This year, our guest speakers are none other than our very own Minister Leighton Robinson from Peytonville Deliverance Temple,
and Apostle Dexter James from Warriors Assembly Growing Church Breakthrough Ministries International. Thursday and Friday services start at 6:30 p.m. Sunday service starts at 3 p.m. Join us at Deliverance Temple, 30 Besson Street, Port of Spain, Trinidad 4.
OMNI 2025. There's a sound of an abundance of rain.